We just came out of that second bedroom. There's the stairway. This is the hall, again, leading to now the master bedroom. You can see the first thing you have here is a very large walk-in closet. It's got tons and tons of space in there. It's really good size. And then off to the right of that closet is the bedroom area. Again, you've got two large windows. Keeps it nice and cool. Okay. You have another little closet area here. So there's plenty of storage in the master. There's the door to the master. There's a slider right here to a small lanai. Another area for ventilation and get air circulating. You have the nice big master bath. You have the sink, double sink area. Nice big vanity. And then a separate door that goes into the shower and bathroom area. So it's nice and large. Again, you have an enclosed tub shower combination in the master bath.